bite.
Meet Onyx. If you don't want this black cat to cross your path, careful where you put your purse. So, are you trying to take Onyx to the vet or to the club? See, this is why I stopped using designer handbags to carry my tuna sandwiches. Damn, girl, this is a knockoff. Clearly, Onyx was raised by TSA agents. There you have it, folks. A cat stalking its prey.
The bite.
Hey, do you have a funny animal video or photo? We want to see it. It could end up on an episode of The Bite. Check below for more details.